Welcome guys, this is OPTIMER. In this video, I will reveal to you a strategy you can use to trade Boom 500 index profitably. The time frame is 5 minutes time frame. Now, in this particular strategy, we will be focusing on how to buy Boom 500 and make excess profit. How to buy Boom 500 and make excess profit. Mind you, this particular strategy works best on 5 minutes time frame. It has been tested over and over and over again on 5 minutes time frame. So do not go and apply it on another time frame and expecting similar results. Do you understand? Now, this is how the strategy works. Only one indicator is used in this particular strategy. Only one indicator is what used in this particular strategy. Now, let me show you how the strategy works. Now, this is MACD indicator. This is MACD indicator. Now, where I want you to pay attention is this particular point where the crossing occur. Now, in this video, this is direction we'll be looking at. From up downward, from up, look at these movements of the arrow. From up downward, that is the movement. Do you understand? That is the crossing I want you to pay attention to. Do you understand? Now, where the crossing occur is where I want you to make your what? To make your buy entry. To make what? Buy entry. Now, your stop loss should be, where your stop loss should be is at the previous higher high. The previous what? Higher high. That is where your stop loss should be. Now, when you trace this, if you trace this particular crossing, this is where the crossing occur. You trace it up straight. This is where I want you to do what? This is where I want you to make your buy entry. That is the place I want you to do what? To make your buy entry. And this is where I want you to put your stop loss. Do you understand? I want you to put your what? Your stop loss here. Do you understand? And this is a huge profit you are going to make. You know that this is Boom 500. Boom 500, and we are buying on Boom 500. This is massive gain. Within space of few minutes, you will be counting in hundreds of dollars. Do you understand, guys? This particular strategy has been tested over and over and over, and it pays excess. It pays what? It pays very, very well, and that's the reason why I'm sharing it with you, so that you can make your what? Excess profit trading Boom 500 on 5 minutes time frame. Now, this is the first signal here. This is the first buy signal here, and if you watch it, look at where you make your entry. See where you make your entry here. This is the place where you make your entry. Let me come. Make your entry here. Look at where you make your entry. And your stop loss is somewhere here. This is where you put your stop loss. The stop loss is somewhere here. Do you understand? So this is what? A huge profit. This is what? Excess profit. Excess what? Excess profit. As easy as that. Excess what? Profit. Now, this is the first signal. Now you see it's still buying. No, this is Boom 500, and you know what it means to make a good entry on buying signals in Boom. You understand? So now look at this. Look at another opportunity here. Now look at the crossing again. See the crossing. Now in this case, You see, it seems as if this is a divergence. There are diverging. This one is moving up, this one is moving down. There are what? Diverging. So from here, you see the crossing here. You see where the crossing occur. See where the crossing occur. And here is where I want you to make a what? Buy entry. This is where I want you to make a buy entry. Here is where I want you to make a what? Buy entry. And your stop loss should be here. Your stop loss should be what? Should be here. That's where I want to put your stop loss. Do you understand? So let's see how the market plays out. Let's see how the market plays out. You see, now watch it. You see, this is excess gain, excess profits. Excess what? Profit for you. Do you understand? Excess from this point. Look at it. From this point, this is a huge profit for you. You know, this is boon. This is what? Boon. So when you make a correct entry, on buy, you see, within space of few minutes, you are counting in hundreds of dollars or thousands of dollars. Do you understand? Depending on your lot size. Do you understand? So this particular strategy pays very, very well. Do you understand? Just apply it and make your own money. Do you understand? Now let me show you the settings. Observe it very well. Watch the video over and over. Understand every point in the video and apply it and make your profit. Now this is the settings. MACD, this is the only indicator used here, only MACD. Fast EMA is 100, slow EMA 26, MACD SMA 2, apply to close. Do you understand? Apply what? Apply to close. So that is the only indicator you need. And do what? And you will make a huge profit trading boom 500 index on 5 minutes time frame. On 5 minutes what? On 5 minutes time frame. Meanwhile, if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, like the video, share it so that others will benefit. That is what we do on OPTIMER. We share profitable strategies for people to do what? To make excess profits. Thank you.